On-the-job training, also sometimes called job shadowing or in-service training, is a hands-on learning method where employees acquire job-related skills and knowledge by actively participating in their work tasks. It's a form of experiential learning that takes place in the real work environment, under the guidance and supervision of experienced colleagues or trainers. Advantages of on-the-job training include practical skill development, as on-the-job training excels at providing hands-on experience in a real work environment. Employees learn by doing, making the knowledge more relatable and applicable to their daily tasks. Improved job performance. As trainees gain proficiency through practical experience, they become more confident and competent in their roles, leading to improved performance and productivity. Faster integration, as on-the-job training helps new hires acclimate to their new positions and company culture more quickly. Working alongside experienced colleagues fosters a sense of belonging and reduces feelings of isolation. Cost-effective when compared to external training programs, as on-the-job training can be a more economical way to train employees. Organizations leverage existing resources and personnel, minimizing training costs. Increased employee engagement, as being actively involved in learning and contributing to the job, can keep employees engaged and motivated. Now let's move on to the disadvantages of on-the-job training. Time commitment, as effective on-the-job training requires dedicated time from both trainers and trainees. This can be a challenge in fast-paced workplaces where everyone is juggling multiple tasks. The success of on-the-job training hinges heavily on the skills and knowledge of the trainers. As such, organizations need to ensure trainers are qualified and have strong communication and teaching abilities. The quality of on-the-job training can vary depending on the trainer and trainee involved, and this inconsistency can lead to gaps in knowledge and skill development. On-the-job training primarily focuses on job-specific skills, and it may not adequately address broader theoretical knowledge or professional development needs. And finally, while mistakes are part of the learning process, they can be costly or even pose safety risks in certain industries. By acknowledging both the advantages and disadvantages of on-the-job training, organizations can design effective training programs that equip their workforce with the skills and knowledge they need to thrive. This, in turn, leads to a more productive, engaged, and successful organization.